हेलो स्टूडेंट्स। मैं आपको अब कॉमन वर्ड 700 जो शॉर्ट हैंड की बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट एक एक्सरसाइज की बुक है उसकी अब आपको डिक्टेट करने जा रहा हूँ। ये जो कॉमन वर्ड्स हैं, ये जो बच्चे नए शॉर्ट हैंड सीखना शुरू करते हैं उनके लिए, या जो काफ़ी टाइम से शॉर्ट हैंड के टच में नहीं होते, एक बार सीख के छोड़ चुके होते हैं बीच में किसी भी रीज़न से, जो दोबारा कंटिन्यू करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, उनके लिए बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट होते हैं। ये आपकी एक्यूरेसी लाने में बहुत हेल्प करते हैं। तो चलिए हम शुरू करते हैं। मैं आपको डिक्टेशन प्रोवाइड करने जा रहा हूँ। बी रेडी फॉर इट। स्टार्ट। वर्ड्स 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 सेट द करेक्टर इन ए वेल नोन प्ले फुल स्टॉप। So much was said, comma, so little done, stop. In a way, our life is made up of words, stop. It is through words that we give expressions to our ideas, and though through words that we can keep in touch with other people. Stop. We may write the words for others to read, or we may speak the words for others to hear. But in either case, it is through words that we have been able to pass on to others the thoughts that are in our minds. Stop. Para. Are words quite necessary to a highly developed state of thought? Question mark. Are they necessary for the development of man to a state of increased knowledge and comfort? Full stop. Can we indeed think without words? Question mark. Much has been said and written on this last point, and some writers are quick to point out that we can think in pictures without the use of words. Others believe that our thoughts are dependent upon words, that we do not think of the thing itself but of the words representing the thing. Certainly, if we stop at any moment and ask, what was I thinking of then? Question mark. We find that we have been using words in our thoughts. Stop. Para. The use of words is one great difference that sets man apart from other animals. Stop. It is true that most living things seem to use sounds of some sort in their life with one another, but they do not use language as man does. So far as we can judge from historical records, man continued in very early state of development until he began to speak. Full stop. With the use of words, he developed more quickly, and when he learned to write down the words, his development increased at a very great rate. Stop. The written word seems necessary for the wide development of a people. Stop. With the written words, ideas can be passed on quickly, and knowledge won by experience and hard work can be passed on to others who can then use the knowledge for their own purposes. Stop. At first, the written word could be used only by a few as it was carefully and beautifully written by hand, and one copy only existed of each piece of writing. Full stop. Now, however, thousands of copies of a book can be turned out in a very short time, and the thoughts and ideas of one man can be read by millions. Stop.